collected in 1989 in San Francisco. That was my first encounter with sourdough. This disruption has created that by using yeast, everything becomes a little bit the same. Yeast is developing the same flavor in any kind of bread. We like diversity, and we believe strongly that a tradition of 5,000 years should be reinstalled in bakeries, because sourdough has only advantages. But to find this knowledge back that has been lost, because many bakers in the 19th century, they switched. They were making sourdough. I have a book from 1778 written by Augustin Parmentier. That was a French pharmacist. And he writes in his book about bakery, because he was not only a pharmacist, he liked to cook and he liked to bake, and he tried to understand the science of bakery. And he describes in that book that he feels bad for the bakers because they are slaves from their sourdough, because they have to feed it every 4 hours, and as such they cannot sleep more than 3.5 hours in a row.